So I'm thinking, how do I relate force to energy? I mean, how much force would result in how much energy?
Oh, that's simple. Let's talk about this concept then. Work done is a force acted over a distance.
And I remember that work done is just another name for energy transferred, right?
Yes.
Somehow, I still do not understand this concept.
Let me try to explain it in a different way. In physics, work done is a special term. Work is done when energy is transferred from one place to another.
Okay, so as long as energy is transferred from one place to another, then we say that work has been done.
That's correct.
If energy is transferred from one place to another, this means that the object that possesses the energy must have moved from one place to another.
Yes, you will find out later that distance moved does relate to the work done.
I think I got this.
Well, to be sure, try guessing which examples demonstrate work is done.